Within the last 24 hours, the Ministry of Health has identified 3 more suspected cases and are currently under isolation at the Mbagathi Isolation Unit.
And 1 case tested negative and is being processed for discharge. The remaining 3 are waiting laboratory results. We are also following a case in Kilifi County whose tests are also running, and the tests will be cleared by tomorrow 7 a.m.
With 7 additional cases being monitored, 44 other individuals who had been quarantined for being in contact with patients have been released after completion of the 14-day quarantine period. The CS was categorical on the compulsory quarantine measure, putting a case in point of the Kilifi individual who has been forcefully put on isolation for defying the order. But with 8 days since the first case was confirmed in the country, the Ministry of Health is warning that the next 2 weeks will be critical for this nation based on the global trend of the virus, when Kenya will know the true picture of the outbreak.
Evidence from other countries indicate that the number of infected persons increases dramatically in the 2nd week following confirmation of first case. Consequently, the next 2 weeks are extremely critical for this country. So we are preparing for it, and we are telling our people, in all honesty, that it is better for us to prepare for the worst. It is better for us to be ready for any eventuality.
While emphasizing on high standards of hygiene and social distancing, the public transport and entertainment industries will be forced to cut their clientele by half at any given time to ensure a distance of 1.5 meters apart between their customers.
That 14-seater Matatus will carry a maximum of 8 passengers. 25-seater vehicles, a maximum of 15 passengers. 30-seater vehicles and above to maintain a 60% maximum of seating capacity. This similarly applies for SGR and commuter train services.
Public transport vehicles have been directed to disinfect their vehicles after every trip, as entertainment joints ordered to close by 7:30 p.m.
I would like to state that Italy's places of food, not bars, places of food, can continue provided that they keep the distances that we have spoken to. But all bars and nightclubs are to close at 7:30 every evening.
This directive will also affect supermarkets, as open-air markets enjoy normal working hours but have been warned to observe hygiene standards and social distancing. According to Kagwe, individual responsibility is what is crucial in containing the virus ravaging the world. It is no doubt that the effects of the outbreak of the dreaded coronavirus continue to hit hard in the country. And even though the government has not recorded any new cases 2 days in a row, Kenyans have been cautioned to brace for tough times ahead. Kamchemenza for Channel 1 News, Nairobi.